Welcome to Projectventive channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. IBMWatsonStudio is an integrated environment for data scientists and developers to collaborate on the development of AI applications and other advanced analytics solutions. With Watson Studio, users can access a variety of tools, libraries, and frameworks to build, train, and deploy powerful machine learning and deep learning models. In this video, we will discuss what IBM Watson Studio is, its various uses, the benefits of using it, and what the future of it. What is IBM Watson Studio? IBM Watson Studio is an advanced data science platform that helps businesses and organizations utilize data to make informed decisions. It provides a unified environment for data scientists, developers, and analysts to collaborate and work together on projects. IBM Watson Studio also enables users to build models and apps, visualize data, and gain insights. With its many features, IBM Watson Studio can help companies quickly analyze data, build models, and deploy applications. Uses of IBM Watson Studio. IBM Watson Studio is an integrated platform for data science and machine learning that allows you to work with data of any kind, at any scale. It provides an environment where you can develop, train and deploy your machine learning models quickly and easily. With Watson Studio, you can create powerful predictive models and AI applications using a variety of languages, libraries, frameworks and tools. The platform also provides access to industry-leading tools, such as Jupyter Notebooks, Python and R environments, Apache Spark and many more. You can use these tools to work with structured and unstructured data, build predictive models, automate processes and much more. Watson Studio also provides access to the IBM Cloud, which allows you to access a wide range of services and resources. Benefits of IBM Watson Studio. IBM Watson Studio provides a comprehensive set of features and tools that make it easy to create and deploy machine learning models quickly and accurately. Number 1. Data preparation and cleaning. Watson Studio provides a variety of tools and resources for data preparation, including data connectors, that allow users to easily connect to various data sources, such as databases, spreadsheets, and cloud storage. Additionally, the platform provides data wrangling and data visualization tools, such as IBM Cognos Analytics and IBM Watson Studio Data Refinery, that allow users to clean, transform, and visualize data to make it ready for machine learning. Number 2. Model development and training. Watson Studio provides a number of tools and frameworks for building, training, and evaluating machine learning models, including Jupyter Notebooks, RStudio, and scikit-learn. These tools allow users to write code, create visualizations, and test and evaluate models in a collaborative environment. Users can also leverage IBM's AI services, such as Watson Machine Learning and IBM Watson OpenScale, to build and train models using pre-built algorithms and models. Number 3. Deployment and management. Watson Studio provides a central location for managing and deploying machine learning models. Users can deploy models to a variety of environments, including cloud, on-premises, and edge devices. The platform also provides monitoring and troubleshooting tools, such as IBM Watson Studio Model Monitor, that allow users to monitor the performance of models in production and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Number 4. Collaboration and sharing. Watson Studio provides a collaborative environment for data scientists, engineers, and business analysts to work together on projects, share data and models, and manage access to resources. Users can create shared projects, share data and models, and collaborate on code and visualizations in real time. Additionally, the platform provides access controls that allow users to manage access to resources and ensure data security. Number 5. Access to IBM's AI and data services. Watson Studio provides inbuilt access to IBM's AI services such as Watson Assistant, Watson Visual Recognition, Watson Language Translator, Watson Speech to Text, Watson Text to Speech, and Watson Natural Language Understanding, etc. This allows users to easily incorporate these services into their machine learning models and applications. Number 6. Cloud-based deployment. Watson Studio also provides a cloud-based environment for the deployment of models. Using Watson Machine Learning and IBM Cloud Kubernetes Service. This allows users to easily deploy and scale their models in production, with the ability to monitor and troubleshoot models in real time. If you're still watching, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Benefits of IBM Watson Studio. IBM Watson Studio is a powerful platform for businesses and developers alike. It provides an environment for data scientists, developers, and business analysts to collaborate on projects and share insights. By utilizing its features, organizations can use machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI, to drive business decisions and strategies. Number 1. Collaboration and sharing. Watson Studio provides a collaborative environment for data scientists, engineers, and business analysts to work together on projects, share data and models, and manage access to resources. This allows teams to work more efficiently and effectively, and can help to speed up the development and deployment of machine learning models. Number 2. Easy access to data. Watson Studio provides a wide range of data connectors that allow users to easily connect to various data sources, such as databases, spreadsheets, and cloud storage. Additionally, the platform provides data wrangling and data visualization tools, such as IBM Cognos Analytics and IBM Watson Studio Data Refinery, that allow users to clean, transform, and visualize data to make it ready for machine learning. Number 3. Wide range of tools and frameworks. Watson Studio provides a variety of tools and frameworks for building, training, and evaluating machine learning models, such as Jupyter Notebooks, RStudio, and Scikit-learn. This allows users to choose the tools and frameworks that best fit their needs and skills. Number 4. Easy deployment and management. Watson Studio provides a central location for managing and deploying machine learning models, allowing users to deploy models to a variety of environments, including cloud, on-premises, and edge devices. The platform also provides monitoring and troubleshooting tools, such as IBM Watson Studio Model Monitor, that allow users to monitor the performance of models in production and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Number 5. Access to IBM's AI services. Watson Studio provides inbuilt access to IBM's AI services such as Watson Assistant, Watson Visual Recognition, Watson Language Translator, Watson Speech to Text, Watson Text to Speech, and Watson Natural Language Understanding, etc. This allows users to easily incorporate these services into their machine learning models and applications. Number 6. Scalability and flexibility. Watson Studio is a cloud-based platform, which allows users to scale their machine learning projects easily, as the platform can handle large-scale datasets and workloads. Additionally, Watson Studio provides the flexibility to deploy models to a variety of environments, including cloud, on-premises, and edge devices. Number 7. Security. Watson Studio provides a secure environment for data scientists, engineers, and business analysts to work together on projects, share data and models, and manage access to resources. The platform provides access controls that allow users to manage access to resources and ensure data security. Number 8. Cost-effective. Watson Studio is a cloud-based platform, which allows users to access the platform without having to invest in expensive hardware and infrastructure. Additionally, the platform provides flexible pricing options, allowing users to pay only for the resources they use. The platform offers several benefits that can be used to accelerate innovation. IBM Watson Studio makes data science and analytics accessible to all users, regardless of their experience level or background. This makes it easier to explore data and uncover hidden insights. Additionally, IBM Watson Studio has an intuitive user interface that allows users to quickly develop models and optimize results. Businesses are also able to leverage AI-driven insights to gain better customer understanding. Improve customer experience, and create more personalization in their products. In addition to its features, IBM Watson Studio provides a secure cloud environment for data storage and processing. This ensures data privacy and security, which is essential for businesses. Finally, the platform is constantly being improved to meet the needs of customers. Its future will include new features such as open-source frameworks, cognitive services, and data sharing capabilities. With these features, businesses can continue to stay ahead of the competition in terms of analytics and AI-driven insights. Moreover, they can access high-quality data faster while ensuring that they remain compliant with regulations. In the next few years, the platform will offer even more advanced capabilities like automated machine learning and real-time analytics. These tools could allow businesses to make smarter decisions quicker than ever before. Furthermore, enhanced security measures will help protect sensitive information from malicious actors. Overall, IBM Watson Studio is already providing tremendous value for businesses by helping them access and utilize data faster than ever before. As the platform continues to evolve, there's no telling what else it could do for companies around the world. Future of IBM Watson Studio. IBM Watson Studio is a powerful tool for data scientists and developers to develop machine learning models, analyze data and build intelligent applications. It has quickly become the go-to platform for businesses of all sizes looking to leverage their data and accelerate AI development. With its ability to simplify the process of creating predictive models and deploying them on the cloud or edge devices. IBM Watson Studio has the potential to revolutionize AI development. In the future, IBM Watson Studio will continue to expand its capabilities to better serve the needs of businesses. This may include more robust tools for data exploration, automated feature engineering, and enhanced integration with other IBM products. Additionally, with advancements in natural language processing, IBM Watson Studio may be able to provide developers and data scientists with more intuitive ways to communicate with their systems. The future of IBM Watson Studio also includes further integration with cloud services. This will allow businesses to take advantage of scalability and cost savings as they deploy their machine learning models into production. With its ever-growing library of algorithms and data connectors, IBM Watson Studio has the potential to become the ultimate platform for AI development and deployment. Ultimately, IBM Watson Studio is an invaluable tool for businesses that want to get the most out of their data. By providing an easy-to-use interface, powerful automation capabilities, and integrations with other IBM products, IBM Watson Studio will continue to be a leader in AI development for years to come. Types of IBM Watson Studio. IBM Watson Studio is a comprehensive suite of tools that helps users develop, deploy, and manage AI solutions across the entire data science lifecycle. It provides an array of features and functions to help with AI-driven data science, including data preparation, data management, machine learning and deep learning, model deployment, and more. There are 3 different types of IBM Watson Studio that can be used to build AI solutions. The free Cloud POC for data version, the premium Cloud POC for data version, and the on-premises version. The CloudPOC for Data version offers a variety of capabilities and is the preferred platform for many organizations looking to get started with AI. The free CloudPOC for Data version includes access to the AI platform and related services such as Watson Machine Learning, Visual Recognition, Watson Knowledge Catalog, Watson Open Scale, and other services. With this version, users can easily deploy models and manage datasets in the cloud. The premium CloudPOC for Data version provides access to additional services such as Watson Studio Notebooks, Auto AI, and modular flows. It also allows users to easily deploy models and manage datasets in the cloud. Finally, the on-premises version of IBMWatsonStudio is available for organizations that need to maintain control over their AI deployments. This version allows users to run their AI workloads on their own premises, giving them complete control over their data and operations. I hope you liked my video. If you do, then please like, share and subscribe the channel.